Hello everyone, welcome to our Toyota Info channel. The most powerful Toyota Tundra with iForce Max twin turbo V6, 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque is available exclusively as off-road focused pickup truck. But we'd like to see something more powerful without off-road capabilities from Gazoo racing department. It may never happen, but we have illustrated the GR Tundra 2025 exterior and interior. Let's take a look and leave a comment if you like it and does it make sense. While watching, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next videos.